If you corrupt your company's data file and need to restore the data from a local backup copy, you can, as long as you created local backup copies first. You must, however, be in single-user mode in order to do this. When you restore your company file, you overwrite your corrupted company data with the data that you saved when you created the local backup copy. You will then have to re-enter all transactions that occurred from the date that you created the backup copy up through the current day to bring your company file back up to date. To restore a corrupted company file from a backup copy, select File from the menu bar and then choose the Open or Restore Company command. In this situation, you want to restore your data from a backup copy. So select the Restore a Backup Copy option button and then click the Next button to continue. The next window asks where the backup copy that you want to use is saved. Select the Local Backup option button if you are using a local backup copy saved to your network or to removable media. If you saved the backup copy online by using that feature, then select the Online Backup option button instead. For this example, we will select the Local Backup option. Once you've made your choice, click the Next button to continue. QuickBooks will next open the Open Backup Copy dialog box. Use this dialog box to navigate to and then select the local backup copy that you want to use for the restore process. Once you have selected the file to use, click the Open button within the Open Backup Copy dialog box to return to the Open or Restore Company window. The Open or Restore Company window will then display the Where do you want to restore the file screen. Now note that you can also reach this screen in an alternate manner than the one that was described thus far by simply choosing File, rolling down to Backup Company, then rolling down to Restore Previous Local Backup from the menu bar, and then selecting the name of the desired local backup file to use from the side menu of choices that appears. Using this method also allows you to choose a local backup copy for the restore procedure from the menu bar and then jump immediately to this same screen within the Open or Restore Company window. Now, after reading the information within this screen, you can then click the Next button to continue. You will next need to use the Save Company File As dialog box that appears to navigate to and select the corrupted company file to overwrite with information from the backup copy that you just selected. After selecting the company file to overwrite, click the Save button to continue. If you are overwriting a corrupted company file, QuickBooks may ask you if you wish to overwrite the file. You can click Yes in the message box that appears to overwrite the selected file. Next, QuickBooks cautions you to be absolutely sure that you want to do this by making you type the word Yes into the text box within the Delete Entire File window, since you will likely be deleting the most current copy of your company file. You can type the word Yes into the box and then click the OK button to begin overwriting the corrupted company file with the data from your selected backup file. After QuickBooks has successfully restored the company file, it informs you of that fact in a message box. You can then click the OK button in the message box to finish. You then need to re-enter any transactions into the company file from the time that the backup copy was created up until today to make the company file current once again.